Hello everyone, welcome to this video, where I'm excited to show you a simple yet powerful Python project. This project allows you to extract metadata from your files quickly and easily. Here's the clean and user-friendly interface built with CustomTkinter. You can browse through your computer files and select any file you want to analyze. Let me demonstrate how it works with different types of files. First, I'll open a PDF document. Just one click on the Analyze button and the metadata appears instantly. Now, I'm trying a Word document. The process is just as quick and simple. Next up, a plain text file. Again, with one click, all the metadata is displayed clearly. Finally, an image file. The program extracts all available data and shows it in a neat format. This tool makes it easy for anyone to explore file details without needing to dig through complicated menus or use multiple applications. What's really interesting is that metadata plays a big role in digital forensics, the field of investigating cyber incidents or digital crimes. In some cases, just checking the metadata of a single file can tell you when it was created, where it was edited, or even who it belongs to. For example, investigators can learn if a document was altered before being submitted, or if a photo was taken at a certain location at a specific time. Even though this tool is simple, it covers the basics of how professionals dig deeper into files. But it's not just for investigators. You can use it in your daily work too. Let's say you're managing a lot of Word files. Metadata can tell you who created them, when they were last modified, and even how many revisions they went through. Or maybe you're handling scanned PDFs. With just one click, you can see when each file was created or changed, which can save you hours of tracking. And if you're into photography, image metadata can show you the camera used, exposure settings, and sometimes even the GPS coordinates where the picture was taken. Metadata isn't just useful for developers or digital forensics experts. It can help all kinds of people in practical ways. Journalists, for example, might use metadata to verify the origin of images or documents during investigations. Lawyers often need to confirm when files were created or modified, which can be critical in legal cases. Even graphic designers and video editors can use metadata to track project versions and identify export settings. If you're someone who shares files online, whether in emails, on websites, or through messaging apps, it's worth knowing what information you're actually sending. Many files carry hidden metadata, details you don't see when opening the file, but which can still be read by others using tools like this one. In some cases, you might be sharing location data, usernames, or timestamps without even realizing it. So using a tool like this not only helps you read metadata, it makes you more aware of your own data privacy. And if you're into Python or open source tools, this project can be a great base to build on. You could expand it to include more file types, or even add features to clean or remove metadata entirely. Small tools like this often open the door to bigger ideas, and that's what makes projects like this so much fun to explore. If you liked this project, you can check out the source code on GitHub. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.